Hello folks, my name is Zurich Labry with Mason and Morse Ranch Company. Today I am located on the Woodward Ranch in the Oklahoma Panhandle in Texas County, about a 15-minute drive northwest of Guyman, Oklahoma. This property you will find over 5,800 acres of mostly native grass, rolling hills, and a great opportunity to own your next ranch or add to your existing cattle operation. On this property, you will find multiple watering locations, including submersible wells, windmills, and solar wells. This is an excellent opportunity to get started here in the Oklahoma Panhandle. Give me a call, Zurich Labry with Mason and Morse Ranch Company at 806-681-9099, or take a look at this property on ranchland.com. Thank you for listening, and remember that Will Rogers used to say, even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you're sitting still.